Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 440 Dodge engine for our customer's 1972 Charger. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We got the double roller timing chain in there. The block is painted the orange here. The Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made. We have the roller rocker arms in there. We have the dual quad Edelbrock ABS carburetors on there. All the linkages are all set up for the customer, all ready to go. We have the MSD ignition coil on there. Distributors all set in place. We have the MSD wires on there with all the wire looms and the wire markers. Dipstick and tube. Proper oil pan for the 72 Charger. We have all the vacuum fittings hooked up on the carburetors. Braided fuel lines, braided PCV valve, all set up. High flow fuel pump, all the AN fittings on there. Edelbrock gas filter, all set, ready to go. We have this real nice Raptor pulley kit on there. This is an 8-rib serpentine belt on here, heavy duty. Self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. AC compressors on there. Thermostat housing. High flow aluminum water pump. 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup. We have the power steering pump hooked up. Reservoirs attached, real easy hookup. Right there's the pressure side, and the return is right there. So this is the way you get it when you buy from EngineFactory.com. Complete turnkey, ready to go. Every engine is live run for over an hour. All the settings will be set, ready to go. Timing is set. Carburetors are all adjusted, ready to go. You'll get a video of your engine running with all the readings, oil pressure, hot and cold, manifold vacuum readings, coolant temperature, everything. Photos of the entire engine build sent to you. So this is our 440Mopar dual quad engine. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business for over 50 years, family owned and operated. It's a beautiful 440 Dodge right there. Thanks for watching.